Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Hot Years. I'm Rochelle, and today's channel is going to be about my trip to the International Gem and Jewelry Show that I went to last week, and it was fun. A lot of beads, as you can see here, so we're going to talk about these. But first I just want to start it off by showing you my finished project right here. This is Even Count Peyote. How cute is this? And yes, this baby is going to be all mine. Hope you can see that. Look at that sparkle. Okay, it's not my pattern. Okay, but if you want to know the tutorial, I can leave a link. Just let me know. And this is so cute. I did change the pattern up a little bit. So I like to add on this nice rim here. The trim just gives it much more of a finished look than leaving it, you know, the other way. So look how cute that is. Isn't that adorable? Look at that. Can't wait to wear it. So I really wanted to put on a nice clasp for it, like gold tone. That the slide, I think it's a slide barrel clasp or something, where you weave the peyote around it, the bark clasp. That's what it's called. And I don't have one of those, and I can't really wait long enough to get it to make this. So I'm gonna just go ahead and add one of these in gold tone. Okay, but of course I need something a little bit longer than this. I mean, I don't like using these. I think they're very unattractive, and it makes our finished work, I think, looks really unattractive. But you know, sometimes you just got to do it. So I got to dig in my stash, and I know I have a gold tone one in there that's longer than this. So that's what I'm gonna finish with that. But it's so cute. I can't wait to wear it. I still got my strings and I think a needle attached here. So let's get this out of the way and talk about these. My goodness, isn't this gorgeous? Now these of course are not, you know, not Swarovski crystal. So when I went there, and I'll post the photos, I was able to get a few photos because I don't think you're really supposed to be taking photos in there. There was this one man who was selling all these crystal purses. They were all crystal, and I asked if I could take a picture, and he said no. So, but I did get quite a few pictures of beads that were displayed for sale there. And in the back, when I went in the back of the show, in the far right corner, there was a whole like wall display, and it said Swarovski crystals, and it was basically a strand like this, and it was 23, I think it was $23 for one strand of crystals, because they said it was Swarovski. Now, you know, I'm not a pro at Swarovski crystal and identifying if they're real or not, but I worked with them enough to know, they just sparkle different, better than any other crystal out there, and I didn't feel comfortable buying it, so I didn't get those, because I can get them elsewhere at a better price, at a much better price. So I didn't get any of those because, I don't have money to waste like that for one strand of what's supposed to be Swarovski crystals, and I 100% believe that they were not. But that's just my opinion. But again, I've been doing this since the 90s, so, not an expert, but pretty good judge of crystals. So anyway, it was a nice day at the International Gem and Jewelry Show, and this is what I got it. I really just needed some bicones, and they had plenty there. And then I stumbled upon these, which I don't have any of these. I guess they're not real tiger's eye, but they have that. Look at that. How gorgeous are these? These were $5 a piece. Okay, so I'm going to use these for I think charm bracelets or something. These are so pretty. I mean, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Just love these. Love, love, love those. So I got those. And then, now I'm so confused. One of these pals was $1 each for a strand. Okay. And then the other one was $2 for a strand. And I can't remember what was what. You know. I'm looking at it now, I'm thinking, well, which one was $2 a strand and which one was $1 a strand? So I can't remember, but at least you know the prices of them. And these are, they're okay crystals. You know, it's what you can get anywhere, you know, online. I was really looking for some fall colors because I want to make some, you know, fall colors and Christmas colors. That's what I was looking for, and I usually work in all 4 mil, so that's what I was looking for to make. And then I saw this pretty blue there that I like. That's really pretty. And there's some more fall colors. And I can tell you that when I was there, when I got home, I was kind of disappointed because when I was there, and the way they have these displayed, which you'll see in the pictures, is, and the way they have the light hitting on them, they really look like high-end, you know, really great quality crystals. And of course, I know if they're selling them for $1 or $2 a strand, it's not, you know, if they can let it go for that. So I could tell, but they look way better there than they do here. Okay, that's all I can tell you. But I'm happy with what I got. I just needed a lot of 4 mil crystals to make what I want to make, which is my Russian spirals. Love this color. Can't really find this color anywhere, so I got a couple of these like that. A nice fall color here. That's pretty, and I love this blue. It's just, I can never have enough of this blue shade. This blue shade is just gorgeous. Just totally love this. So if the show's coming around in your area, and you need bicones, you should probably go and get yourself some. I mean, I think it's pretty good for $1 or $2 a strand. We had so many more other beads, but I wore the wrong shoes there. It was all on a cement floor, and I wore these, you know, low heel boots, you know, and I should have known better. I should have wore sneakers, and because I would have stayed longer and spent way more money, but I didn't. I wore the wrong shoes. Wear sneakers if you go. It was I think it's up here in Maryland for me, so it was $8 to get in at the door. You can buy tickets online for $6, which is what I did. Okay. And when I go there, I go by myself so I can concentrate on what I need. And my husband wanted to go. I'm like, no thanks. Stay home with the kitty cats. I got to concentrate. So, and they had some beautiful jewelry there too. They really, really did. But, you know, I don't need jewelry, so I didn't buy it. Let's see what we got over here. I got some red crystals for Christmas, some, oh, I'm out of frame. Some red and green for Christmas here. And then now, when I just pulled all this out before I did this video, I'm looking and I'm thinking, what is this tiny thing? I must have purchased this by accident. This must be a 3 mil. I don't really do anything with 3 mils. So, and then this is another, I pulled this red 3 mil by accident also. So, well, can't wait to see what I do with that. I'm glad I didn't make that mistake a bunch here. So, and some more fall colors here. Really wanted some nice fall colors. Look, it matches my polish. Wow, how pretty is that? That is pretty. Got some rondelles here. It's pretty. Okay. Now these are always pretty. Gotta get some of these. And I'm thinking for $1 or $2 a strand, I should have gotten way more of these. This is pretty. It's just a dark rondelle faceted with purple tones in there. Looks like blue's coming off on the screen also. It's pretty. Oh, here's a pretty green one. That's pretty. And then this one. It's pretty. Oh, and there's something else here I got. Wait a minute. Oh, here it is. Oh, I meant to get the other one in the other room. I forgot. I have another one of these in the other room. Look at this. How cool is this? That's coming off. Let me set it down so you can see. This is like a little pendant. It's all bicones. It's all 4mm bicones. I want to try to copy this. I can't find a pattern anywhere. If you think you know of a pattern somewhere, please let me know in the comments. But I really want to make this to go with my Russian spiral bracelets. This will be great and really cost effective for the customer, rather than making a Russian spiral whole necklace. You know, you can just make this little pendant, put a pretty silver 925 chain on there, and there you go. It'll match your bracelet, and maybe earrings also. I'm getting, look at that. I just love this. So I want to figure out how they made this. These were I think this was $8 or $9, and I bought 2 of these. How cute is that? I saw that, I was just infatuated. Now I have to figure out how to make this. So cute. So that's what I got. This is all I got. I wish I would have gotten a lot more. I think I would have if I had comfortable shoes on, but bummer. So, but it was certainly worth going to. I'm glad I did. And I think that's it. I don't know what I'm going to make next. This is so cute. But I think that's it. That's all I had for this week, was my trip to the International Gem and Jewelry Show. So if it comes in your area, definitely go. Get yourself some stuff. And this is not a sponsored video. I purchased everything with my own money, as always. And that's it. That's it for this week's video. So happy beading, everybody. If you find my content helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. It would greatly help me out, you know, trying to build a business. And check out my store on Etsy, the Beaded Jewels store on Etsy. Okay, and that is it. There we go. That's it. Take care, everybody. Stay safe out there. Holidays are coming up. Don't go crazy. And including myself. And that's it. I will talk to you soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.